If you're considering Redmine for your construction management needs, there are 12 things you need to know before committing. In this video, we'll break it all down, comparing it with other popular church management software so you can make an informed decision. First, let's talk about Redmine's flexibility. It's an open source tool, which means you can customize it to suit your church's specific needs, unlike some competitors that offer limited customization options. This is a big win if your church requires a tailored solution. Next, Redmine has a robust issue tracking system. You can easily assign tasks, track progress, and communicate with your team. However, some church management software, like Planning Center, is more streamlined with integrated event management, making it easier to handle large-scale church events. The third thing to keep in mind is Redmine's steep learning curve. Because it's so customizable, it might take some time to get the hang of it. If you're looking for something user-friendly right out of the box, tools like Breeze might be better suited for smaller churches without dedicated IT teams. The fourth thing is Redmine's lack of built-in church-specific features. While it's great for project management, it doesn't come with features like member management, donation tracking, or volunteer scheduling, which many church management tools like ACS Technologies or Church Community Builder offer natively. Next, let's talk about integrations. Redmine can integrate with several third-party tools, but the process can be a bit more complex compared to something like Realm, which offers a smooth, integrated ecosystem with a simple setup for things like accounting and communication. The sixth point is Redmine's pricing. Since it's open source, the software itself is free, but you'll need to factor in costs for hosting, maintenance, and customization. When compared to subscription-based platforms like Tithe, Redmine can be more affordable in the long run, especially if you already have the technical resources in-house. The seventh thing you should know is Redmine's reporting capabilities. It offers basic reporting, but lacks the specialized financial and membership reporting tools found in dedicated church management software, like ChurchTrack, which can provide more detailed insights on donations, membership, and event attendance. The eighth thing to consider is Redmine's support. Since it's open source, official support can be limited, and you might need to rely on the community for help. In contrast, church management software like Planning Center and Fellowship One offer dedicated support teams, which can be a major benefit for churches looking for quick solutions. Next, let's talk about scalability. Redmine can handle a large number of users, making it suitable for growing churches, but other platforms like Rock RMS are specifically designed for church organizations with a scalable architecture built for large congregations. The 10th thing is Redmine's mobile experience. While there are mobile apps available, they aren't as polished as those offered by other church management software, like Elvanto, which provides a seamless mobile experience for both administrators and church members. 11th, consider Redmine's community. Being an open source tool, Redmine has a large community of developers and users who contribute to its growth, but finding specific church-related resources might be a challenge. Some church management software like ACS Technologies offer resources tailored to church needs with dedicated customer support. Finally, Redmine is highly customizable, but this can be a double-edged sword. It requires a certain level of technical expertise to get the most out of it. If you're a church that wants an out-of-the-box solution with minimal setup, tools like Ministry Platform might be more ideal. To wrap up, Redmine is a solid option for churches with the technical capacity to handle its customization and hosting requirements. However, if you're looking for something more straightforward, with dedicated church-specific features, our recommended solution might be a better fit. You can try it for free to see how it works for your needs.